Welcome to Seagull's Mazda 323 channel, and if you're new here, like and subscribe, you know the video. And if you're returning, well, I guess you know what you're in for, because I may have alluded to the fact I've added another Mazda 323 to the big Gully garage. So today is about walking around this car and just identifying a few differences between the white one that's already here and this green one. Both are Japanese imports to Australia, but with subtle differences. The white one came fitted with front disc rear drum, later converted to 4-disc by me. This one came fitted with 4-disc from factory. If you have questions about how to take things off, assemble things, put things back on, repair things, sing out in the comment section, send me an email through the page description. More than happy to help. I've got a couple of yous now that I'm actually about to email back. I've got answers for you, and that's why I touched on the brakes differences with these cars just quickly then. I have got some answers, more answers for you young man, so hold tight. And I've also got some answers for conversion and compatibility for coilovers from hatch to sedan for this particular car. Hold tight there too young man, as you can see, I have been busy. So I purchased this car off an old guy who'd parked it in a paddock under a tree for 2 years. So it didn't do anything, and then he sold it. And
Seagull hopped on it like a bloody chip at the beach, mate.
Swooped in like a deal. It was a steal. Alright, so I took the battery out because I drove it an hour home. It ran and drive. I just started it up, give it a bit of a carb clean, added some new petrol, and drove it away. The battery's pretty much toasted though, so that's off now, getting a charge just to see if it's actually going to hold a charge or if we've got another issue. So I'm going to keep diagnosing this a little bit more to see what other issues are wrong with this motor. There's a little bit of hesitation under acceleration in it. It is a Mazda 1.6 litre 16 valve B62E. It is the same engine that's in the white one, except this one is factory, not modified. So I'm going to use a lot of these parts here as spares, clean them all up, and keep them for the white car, because this car is getting increasingly more popular now, but they are very hard to find. So good luck out there guys getting them. This little nostalgic 90s sedan is very fun to drive, and it's got a lot of potential. So it doesn't look like much, but all the panels are good. The paint's obviously, the clear's gone, it's faded. It's just been sitting in the sun for a lot of this time. But in all honesty, there's a lot of good parts here that I'm going to be using, and as I said, use as a tutorial how to do certain things. But stay tuned, because we're going to really work on this car a lot and try and fix up the white one a little better. The only real thing that I can notice is that it has taken a whack down here along the front. The guy did say that it hit a wallaby. Like, it might be salvageable, it might be able to be repaired. We don't really know until I get it off and see what it looks like underneath. But there's a few suspect things going on here. The grill's toasted, so I won't be using that anymore, but everything else is saved. We'll have a quick look inside the car. There's about 500 million dead spiders everywhere. Driving it back was fun. I had a lot of things crawling on me that was most unnerving. All the original tools are still in the car as well. I haven't actually checked the glove box yet. So, no, it's empty. There's no logbook, but everything's pretty much in good nick. I will do another dash removal and repair video, but a proper one, because the first one I did was like the first video I ever did on this channel, and it was pretty short. Like and subscribe, stick around, you know what's going to happen here. A lot of sexy shit with a Mazda 323 BG.